my session. It's an honor for me. So we are just live. I'm just setting up my screen for you guys. So yeah, yesterday trading went well. We have made just $220 on my live session. You guys just witnessed that one. We are not making thousands of dollars every day. We're just trying to make small amount of money. So that's what we need. We don't fall for big money. Just try to grab small percentage of your capital every day. So that's what we need actually. Moreover, let me just log on to my system. Actually, I was not using my system since last. Okay, so my system is just logged on and I am just live on YouTube as well. All right. So, uh, okay. So what pairs today we are trading? We are just trading the same pairs which we traded yesterday, and things went well. We have just BTC. BTC is just okay. So before we start, sorry guys, let me just okay. Okay. Actually, my screen is that way. It's my phone is on the other side. Sorry. Let me show you my screen first before we start my session, let me tell you guys, uh, it's a very volatile market. Be safe. Crypto market is a volatile market. The live trades I perform in front of you guys are just for the sake of fun, for information. I am not a financial advisor, not financial trader. I'm just a simple live streamer like you guys. Uh, don't follow my trades, do your own research. That's what I always just recommend people. And well, one of my trade is still stuck from last 3 4 5 days maybe now. Well, okay, we are good. We have a good hope for that. If we have a big profile, big portfolio, we don't need to worry about that one as well. And it's just went wrong for now. Okay. Yes. So my trading. So before we start trading, thank you, Tayyip, for giving me likes. Um, so before we start our trading, let's discuss what's going on in the market. So it's Friday today, and Friday 16th January 2026. So it's crypto market is like on quite currently at a very high stake. High stake decisions, of course. Um, Bitcoin is just nearly touched around $98,000. And thank you so much for giving me likes. It's an honor. Okay. Um, so, so expected the expectation for the BTC was uh, like maybe around $100,000 for this week, or maybe it can go to $100,000 in the upcoming week. But that totally depends upon where does this week closes. Um, okay, so where is the correction? There would be a little bit correction before hitting $200,000. Maybe somewhere it can go to somewhere around 95, 94,000 dollars. But right now 95 94 it went to somewhere around there. uh, if it closes above $95,000, then the next mark would be, that's my opinion. Do your own research always. That's my opinion. It can touch to $100,000 by the next week. But if it falls, if this week closes below $95,000, then maybe it can take a little bit more time, but totally depends upon like what's going on in the market. Is just fear and greed, just in between that. So it's very neutral. It's somehow quite neutral, not fear, not greed. So market is just stable at some price. So yeah, and Ethereum went to 3,315 dollars, $3,315, which is 24 hour. If we see that's current price, it's not moving that much, and Sol is also just at 142. Okay. Mm. XRB 2.12. Okay. Um, a bit minus 2% of decrease since yesterday. And moreover, there are no big movement news in the market. So yeah. So key supports is at for the BTC is if we see on screen, it's around somewhere, yeah, 94 500, somewhere around there. 94 200, 94 500, somewhere around there. That's a key support. We should mark it, we should set call it key support. 94, yeah, 94 700, somewhere around there, or 95 would be the next. 95, yeah. Yeah, and and if this week closes below that, so thank you, Professor, for following my page. It's an honor for me. Thank you, Blending, for joining me. Um, Thank you, Mia Umar. Uh, okay, so that's what I'm talking about. So the next, so if it tests this resistance, then great honor for me. Uh, then I think the next uh, break could have been $90,000, but that totally depends upon this week. So where does this week closes? If it closes above 95,000, then we have a good hope for the bullish momentum still continues. And the key resistance level is at somewhere around $98,000. Um, okay, so Bitcoin dominance is still as it is, like at 58%. It's not moving even a single even 1% from last 1 year almost now. So I must say that. So yeah, that's all for today. And let me show you my screen and what trades, what pairs we're going to trade today, and we will discuss and talk about. We will check some of the indicators today again, what indicators I'm just trading on. And okay, let me show you my screen, brother, and my followers, my viewers actually. Okay, flip camera. Okay, here's the flip camera. Okay, I hope you guys can see the screen on the better way. Actually, that's the bigger screen. Let me just set. Okay. Uh, Thank you everybody for joining my session. Okay, so that's the pair we were trading. We have just made a good profit yesterday, and but before we trade this pair, we have to just uh, do a little bit back test. So what's going on here? Um, Thank you, Vajashima brother, for following my page. It's an honor for me. Okay. So guys, if you are new to my channel, there's a link in bio. You guys can click on that link, and there are the links of my channel or WhatsApp channel as well, where I just send a few hot news in the market. Not every news, like there are a lot of things going on in the market. So I just try to get very basic and major news from market and just share with you guys, so you guys can have a better understanding of the market, that what's going on. And on the other hand, let's uh, thank you, Shazia, for following my page. Uh, okay, so yeah, let me tell you. Hmm, okay, so what happened yesterday, I will show you on my screen. We have just made, that's not even the 1% of my capital, but still I have made a sufficient amount, which was actually 200 truths going up. Yeah. Hello, passive brother. How are you doing? Good. Yeah, I have just longed my position. No, I was just planning to long my position. Let me check what's going on. We are just trading these pairs. Oh, just missed that opportunity. Wow. Oh, wow. Did it? I had. Okay, I just missed that opportunity. I was just planning to take the long position from here. Oh, what a pump. What a pump. These three candles, just 3 minutes actually. You guys can see that's what I missed. Okay, no problem. We will get it for sure again. Oh, yeah, very unlucky. No problem. Actually, before we start, I was just setting up my session. I was just planning to take the long position from 1 to 4, because it was the RSI was in a very good favor of opening the long position. So, oh, that's a 1 hour candle. See what a momentum, what a momentum, what a pullback, what a pullback. That's a good thing. Okay, 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 and it's not. Oh, I just missed it. I could have taken the short position from here, but the momentum can be shifted anywhere. But no, not now. I think we can take the long position in this one. I really want to take a long position in this pair. If we do a little bit back test, that's a 1 hour candle frame of this one. And sorry, uh, mm, sorry, this not truth. Yeah, this one. So if we see there, oh, what just happened? So do you also trade, Miss Shazia? If you are doing it, that means you could have a better understanding as well. Okay, okay. I think that's the 1 hour candle frame, time frame, and let me just 15-minute time frame. If we see that on 15 minute is also in favor, 5 minutes is also in not if we follow the RSI, then not in favor. Maybe we can take the long position from 198, but can use mm, um okay. Mm. What do you think? Like, should I open the long position from here? I have a good feeling for this one. Maybe it can go a little bit more up from here. Uh, but if we see the momentum, not even, but what we need is that's the key resist support level from here. I think we can take a chance to open the short position if we follow the trend. But if we don't follow the trend, I think we can. Mm, see 15 minute, 5 minute. I'm a bit confused in this one right now, but if we follow the momentum is in the favor of opening the short position from here, not from here, maybe from a little bit on the upside, somewhere around 200, 0.200, but not sure yet. So I think we should wait a little bit more. Mhm. Uh, Let me check on the other screen if I will be able to. Mm, so what we're gonna do is we are just hoping and waiting for this one to go a little bit more up. Can you guys see the screen? Oh, on. Try to connect access connected. On, sorry, actually I was unable to. Yeah, okay. I think on YouTube my screen was not shared. Sorry, my bad. It was not displaying anything since last 17 minutes. Wow, what a long time. Why anybody would wait? Okay. Okay, so what's going on here is if we see the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I think we need to wait a little bit from here. And let's talk about truth, of course, once again. Truth is just blowing up. What a position we have just missed. Hmm, hmm. Come I missed this position? Actually, I don't want to open the position from here. I was just planning if we do a little bit practice on this one and let's talk about that's the 15-minute time frame. That's not truth. Uh, Sorry, did I get any message? Sorry, I'm okay. Do you so okay. If we see the RSI in the of 15 minutes, let's talk about 1 minute. So of course, not for 1 minute on the right mark. If we see the 5 minutes, yes, we can take a risk to open a short position from here, but I don't know. That would be great. Good decision. So you guys can write me in the comment section as well. What should I do? But as per my understanding, there's a weak high on top of that, and there's strong low would be down there somewhere. But if we do 15-minute time frame, That's the 15-minute time frame candle. So weak low is far away from here. Strong low, sorry. So that means there would be a big support down there. Weak high is the chance. For scalping, I think we can do something just for do a quick scalp, but that's the risk. I am not in the favor of taking it right now. Okay, we have another pair. That's where you decide how much time you can wait and if you take the right decision or wrong. Yeah, quick decision can sometimes leads you to okay. So this is so we can get, but there is not much volume in ARKM. We can open a long position in ARKM, ARKM, and let it go for a long period of time, maybe. Yes, see? Oh yeah. And see the momentum is shifting from that's the 1 hour time frame. Okay. It's already on the lower side. It can go a little bit more low. Yeah, it's already on the lower side. For the longer period of time, I must say, if we want to play long, uh, for the long period of time, that's the right time we can open a long position from here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use $125 are sufficient, I think. Okay, I have just opened a long position from here. That was the right time because I have just checked the RSI. That's I want to do a quick scalping from here. It can fall down a little bit more, but more good chances for this one to give us some just $25. That's okay, enough for today. Uh, yeah, brother. Can you try it right now? I just removed the link again and added the link again. Well, that's the same thing. I hope that would work well. Can you give it a try today? One of the other friend just followed my WhatsApp channel using like web WhatsApp, so it worked well with him. So yeah, okay. Mouse WhatsApp 0.4G. You can just give it a try and just let me know if you are still facing some problems. So on the other hand, then we can just start promoting my Telegram channel as well. So I think. But WhatsApp would be more convenient for me and for my more followers because Telegram is not working in the country where I'm from, and a lot of people using WhatsApp. So there is a big community, and we are in this position right now. Okay. On the other hand, okay, this position is already open, and on the other hand, let's talk about another coin. Truth is just blew away. We cannot take the risk. Esther, we can check. It just fall down a little bit since yesterday. So yes, we can take a risk, but the 1 hour candle is okay. There are good chances we can take the long position, but not from here. We can set a limit order. Let me check on the 15-minute time frame. 7-1. No. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the limit order at 7-1. Is that achievable? 7-1-7-0. Okay. Because see the momentum 7-1-7-0 would be the great price. I think. Hmm. And I can use. I just want to use 1% of my capital, or less than 1% of my capital. in this trade, limit order 20x. 20x leverage is not recommended. Just if you are new to crypto, try to use maximum 10x leverage. And for the safer side, you can use 5x leverage. Try to create small amount of profit instead of like risking more. So keep yourself safe and protect your capital and to stay in the market. So that what the strategy should be. And yeah, that's it. So one of my trade is on the wrong side and just about to hit negative 2% of my capital. And I have set up my stop loss there. Maybe, yeah, it can take like 2, 3 uh, days of my profit, but well, that's a part of it. Sometimes we make, sometimes we lose. So yeah. Um, Football world. Anna. Okay. So I have just set up my limit order to this price. That's achievable. Maybe, maybe not. But what can we do? We can just wait. And on the other hand, let's talk about this one. Yes. Mhm. Uh, okay, great. If you live in Japan, yeah. What I'm trading futures. The pairs what I'm trading mostly these 4, 5 pairs, but I can just choose random pairs. But these are the major pairs what I'm trading. Um, mm, Thank you, Justin, for yeah. So, do you also trade, or you are just new to trading? Um, okay. Things are very. Oh, okay, great. It's good to learn first, then you for sure you can earn. I when I started trading, I was learning with using my real money. Well, I have learned a lot in stuff, but sure, I just made a lot, of course. It took a little bit time, but yeah, that's a part of it. You can learn, you can earn, of course, truth. So that's the position we have just missed. But no problem, we will get it again. So I think I have just grabbed this. No, not this one. This one is just going downside, but okay. Oh, what's just going on? Okay. Uh, brother, Adam, brother, in my opinion, you can do that, but that totally depends upon you. But for small amount, like how much amount is the small amount you can afford to lose? That's what I always talk about. For living, just if you are learning and if you have another income stream, then you can just learn first. Then yes, this is my main income stream, and this is the only income stream I am into right now. And uh, I was doing a corporate job. I have done like for 15 years, a corporate job as well on the side. But side on the side, I was doing a little bit trading, but not trading. I just invested in Bitcoin in 2017. I bought like 2 Bitcoin at that time. at the price of $8,000. So yeah, that was the thing actually. Um, and just sold, not sold, but just converted my BTC to all the meme coins and small coins. And BTC went down. BTC went up to like $22,000, then went down to like 3,000 somewhere in between $3,000 or $4,000. So well, people were just calling it's a bubble. So it was, and now now BTC proved like it's not a bubble, and it's the next financial thing. And yeah, so now everybody is the witness. It's a digital gold, and we can definitely call it. We can call it a digital gold. See the price, why it's moving so high. So yeah. My RSI setting for short-term scalping is 5. I set it to 5, and open the short position from here. I just took the position from the bottom in this one specifically. If we see, let me just make it a little bit big for you guys. For if you want to do a intraday trading, so RSI setting should be like 14, 12 or 14 is good. Um, yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for following me as well, Adam, brother. Okay, so what I was telling you is, so but yeah, but for living, I think initially, if you are learning it, no, don't rely on that. You can lose. Sure. See, that's the RSI 5. It went to this price. I took the position from here. It's a 1 minute time frame. I can just set it to 5 minutes as well. You can see the RSA was above on the 5 minute, but I was just having the chart of 1 minute and took the RSA value at 5. So yes, and if you want to know how to set it, I think you know already. What do you think? Uh, Anything else you want to ask about? Oh, okay, okay. So you want to know how to set it? Let me know. Actually, I'm not cleared. So what are you talking about? Okay. This trade is like $10 positive now. Just trying to make. Oh, okay, okay, no problem. You see, that's when you click when you hover your cursor to that, there's an option of settings. You just click on the settings and set the length to 5. That's it. That's a very input. Yeah, on input, RSA input. That's a style. That's a visibility. Just leave it. Uh, Set soothing SMA. We can set it SMA, EMA. I have set SMA. So it's a smart moving average, and smoothing line length is 14. So what we need is this length. Basic length is 5. So that's the length of 5. That's the current previous 5 candles movement actually. Then send it to OK, and it's just moved. Let me change it for you. If I change it to, let's say, 14, and you see the shape of this, it's just moved. So it just went in between the uh, minimum or maximum benchmark. That's good for long-term scalping, or but for short-term scalping, it should be 5. 5 is good, and you can take the long position if RSI is below 20. So below 20 here, when I took the trade, RSA was 12. You see, let me show you. Sorry. Uh, when I hover around my mouse there, you see it was 13. The value is 13 at this price. So I just took the trade from this candle. Luckily, I got lucky to get this trade. It can go wrong if it falls down somewhere. You're welcome. Mm, if it falls down, then anything can be happened, and we can just see if things goes wrong. So, but see, the momentum is just making a lower lows. Shifting the momentum on the 1 minute time frame can be dangerous, but If we see on the broader side, maybe it will take a little bit more time to go more up. So it just shifts the momentum from bullish to bearish to bullish. Uh, yeah, that's just the RSI value actually. You can set it for gold as well. You can set it for Forex as well. You can set it for anything. It's just the movement. It's just showing you the oversold and overbought position in that specific five candles as well, actually. So, yeah, it works for actually I am using this sorry. I'm using this indicator since last more than 1 year. And for short-term scalping, not for long-term, you need to set the settings. There are multiple factors as well. So you need to see the trend, you need to see the momentum, you need to see what's going on in the market for intraday trades, of course. But I think for short-term scalping, it works very well. And I have made a lot using this basic indicator. Uh, but if you want to use this, just try it on for demo accounts as well. Just if your trading strategy and this and the trades you take following this indicator uh, goes like 70-80% right, then you can use it for your real account as well. That's what I suggest. And guys, don't give money to anyone. Do it by yourself. If somebody calls you, okay, let me do trading for you, I can do it. Let's share the profit. Don't do that. It's not the rocket science. It's just a very basic thing. Anybody, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I have no background of finance. I have done the degree in finance, but not it's not implemented in this thing actually. So what we need is we need to just understand the market movement. First, we need to just understand the interface. So how does the interface works? Where to click? Where to? People doesn't know even like how to do that, but want to make money. So that's the way they're losing it. So just learn first, then of course you can earn. And maybe I will because I have a good profile now, making good profit. I'm going to create another account maybe, and will start uh, copy trading on that account as well. Make an account leader account on that account. So you can follow my copy trades as well from there. So yeah, that's a good thing. If you don't want to trade, you can just copy my trade, but keep your capital in your account. Don't give it to anyone. So yeah, that's it. Okay. On the other hand, let me uh so what we are just Esther. Yeah, okay. See, we took the trade from here and it went wrong to that mark, but it's just moving up. So that's how potential we yawn. Yeah. Okay. So every time I perform live trades in front of you guys, if trade goes wrong, I share their results in the WhatsApp group every day or when trade closes. So you guys can follow me on WhatsApp as well. There's a link in bio. Click on that. Follow me on my channel on WhatsApp as well. So that's the way we can connect with each other. And yeah. And I'm using this. Yeah, somebody's asking on YouTube what's okay. So this is the actually. Let me show you. This is the platform L Bank. That's what I'm using. And what is the reason behind of using this? Because it's connected with TradingView, so it gives me more command uh, on charts. And yeah, so that's why I'm using it, and it's good for me actually. So yes. Oh, Aster is just falling down. See, uh, uh, just getting rejection from top of there, but the I have just took the long position following by these two candles. These are sometimes it could be trap, but if we see the 5 minute time frame, no, that was not trap. The market is just moving up. So it can go a little bit more down. There is a fair value gap in this candle, because it just not booked. If we see the 1 minute time frame, you see just two, three candles was very big candles. So there is a fair value gap that could cover it may fall down to cover those positions and then go back up. So yeah, that's how it works. And let's see what happened with truth. We can just have a look on truth as well. No, let's talk. Uh, Guys, one more thing I should have to mention this here. Just try to trade one or two pairs at a time. Don't trade more. The more pairs you trade, if your more trades are open and you get stuck in a trade or two, so this consumes your liquidity if you're using your cross margin. That's what I suggest everybody, that if you are new to crypto and you don't understand the charts and just experimenting the things, so use isolated margin instead of using cross margin. So that's the way at least you can protect yourself or remaining capital, the capital you're using. Or on the other side, if you want to use cross margin, use stop losses. Set your stop loss target for every day, like how much money you can afford to lose in one single trade or in one single day. And if it touches to that benchmark, just close the trade, accept the loss instead of losing all of your money. Accept the loss and just stay away from the market. So yes, that's how it works. And that's what I have learned in 3 years plus trading. So I have seen people just doing like crazy stuff, making like thousands percent of uh, their profit, showing their thousands percent of profit. Well, okay, let them make those profit. But what they're doing is they're just opening the positions with just $1 or $2 maximum, and use maximum leverage. They have big accounts, they can take the risk. Don't take the risk, guys. That's the way you can see the percentage of a trade is very crazy. I can show you like 1000% in a trade. But what they are doing is they are showing you, okay, the people are just being crazy. Okay, wow, he's making like 1000% in a trade or 500% in a trade. What he's using is he's using just $1 maximum leverage, like 200x leverage. Why? Why you making fool to the people? Don't do that. Try like I don't know. And the people are falling for that. Even I was falling for that as well. So well, it happens. Thank you so much. And okay, what's going on here? Yes. Uh, uh, I have. I think I don't remember like I have made 1000% in a trade. It's not possible. It is possible, but what they are doing is they're just opening the position with $1. They're not showing you their profit. Like, okay, they might be using like less amount of dollar and showing you like, okay, I have made 500% of this trade. Like he just made like $50 in that trade. So, and people are falling for that, which is very wrong thing. And yes, yes, it's possible. It's possible. I'm telling you that. I have made a lot, but not thousands percent of the trades. I just took my share from the market. It's a great thing. Like if you have done it, I'm happy for you. And if you are in profitable position, it's another good thing. Like I have seen many people are in loss. Like a lot of people are just losing money in like every day. The people who are doing futures. So what do you suggest for this one? I think there are chances for this one. 5 minute is RSA is not in favor. Trading history. Okay, let me. I have I have just started using this account since I just transferred the money from the other account to this more account. This is my transaction. This is my transaction history. Okay, so let me show you my transaction history. These were the positions I just actually I have just started my live sessions from last almost 2 weeks now on TikTok. Before that, I was doing on demo trades. Okay, so that's my live account. You see that's 16. Just open the positions. It's not closed yet. 15. You see $62. Okay, enough. 15, $112. 15, same day. You can see the time as well. I have performed these live trades yesterday. You guys can witness that. You can see my previous live session as well. Let me show you more. So I'm just moving it. 14, $66. 14, $23. 14, $40. Not moving. See, 14, $30. What I was telling you is like it's the percentage the traders what they are showing is. So if you fall for that, okay, it's good for you, but be safe, guys. Let me show you more. Uh, okay, 14 $30, 14 $61, 13 $48 negative. That's the trade I have closed manually. It went wrong. 13 $18. That's uh okay. I just was showing 1 week data. Uh, I think it's not showing up to 20. It's showing just 20. Uh, so th from okay from th 13. Let's count it from 13 to what's there today? 16. So in 3 days you have just witnessed this one. You can if you want to see more, you can see my previous live sessions as well. So uh, okay. So that's what I'm telling people, like just be safe, guys. If you are new, just try to perform on live on demo accounts. Don't use like uh your real money. That's the way you can lose it. So I don't want my followers, my friends, people losing money. And yes, that's how it works. I hope Sardar brother, you just have seen this. I am from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand since last more than 4 years now. So yeah. Okay. So don't fall for big profits. Just grab 1, 2, 3, 4% of your capital every day. If you are gaining 1%, okay, you are still in profit. And if you have big capitals, if you have small capital, you can take the risk to gain more. But um, you want to set up what like you want to register your account. Yes, I can guide you how you do that, but do it by yourself. Don't give uh okay, let me just check. I have just okay, bro. So sorry, I just got one message on YouTube, so let me just reply. Uh uh actually Sadaf's food. Yeah. Actually, let me tell you, it's very easy. What I'm doing is it's crypto futures. You can take the leverage from the market. If you have a bit understanding of the market, it's not that rocket science. You can just understand it like maybe in a day or two. So I just got an overview in just 1 hour, and then I just like searched how to open the position, what is the leverage, what is the market, what is the limit order, like what is cross, what is isolated. So these are the basic things you need to understand first. You can register your account. That's the exchange I'm using. If you want to register your account on this one, it's reliable for me. I'm using it. So you can register. There's a link in my bio as well, so you can register by clicking on that as well. Just your email and password, or you can add your phone number and set up any password, not for your email. So you can register it, then sure you can do it. Uh, and First you register it and try to understand what's going on in the market. Oh, I have just got some. Brother, actually, Sardar brother, what I'm doing is I'm doing a short-term scalping. Uh, okay, Sadaf, I'll reply you. So for short-term scalping, what my strategy is, it's a very basic thing. My risk to reward ratio is like very crazy. You will laugh on me. My risk to reward ratio is 2:1. What is that? Uh, I open the position because I have very big capital. So I open the position with maximum 1% of my portfolio. And if it goes wrong, of course, I'm not 100% right on every trade. So if anything goes wrong, so I just do DCA with another 1%. And if it still goes wrong, I close my trade with losing 2% of my capital in a trade. That's my strategy, is using minimum leverage, like 10x, 20x max, maybe 25x, not more than that. Never did that uh, from the day I am in profit. And moreover, uh, try to make 1% of my capital, which is very good money. So since last more than 1 year, I'm in a very good profit. And my stop loss hits like more than like four, five, 6 times, like losing 2% of my capital, which is very big money. But okay, that's fine. That's what I can afford to lose. That's my appetite of losing the money. So if you have small capital, you can gradually increase your capital by compounding. So what my strategy of taking the trade, I use RSI value 5. I do a day scalping, short-term scalping. So I try to close every trade every day and just stay away from the market. That's my strategy. What I have learned from the market since last 3 years trading futures. Well, I'm in crypto from 2017. So yeah, so I follow the RSA basically, and if for short-term scalping, if RSA value, I have set the RSA value to 5, and if the RSA value falls down below to 20, so I take long positions, and most of the time it went well. If something goes wrong, so there is another option for me to do a DCA for one time. I never set my stop loss. So uh, okay, the website is Lbank. So you can click in my bio. There's a link of that. So you can click on that. So you can, that's the way you can register yourself. Just put your email and any password, but keep remember your password. Thank you, brother, Sardar brother. It's another brother. Basically for short-term scalping, it's a quick in and out position. It's a quick in and out decision you make. Majorly I use RSI. More of that I follow the trend, like and try to understand like where is the resistance. If the price is falling down and resisting at some price, so that's the way I have seen people do. Okay, if it crosses the resistance, then we can open the uh, long position from there, like which is already top. And if the price is falling down, so we are just seeing where is the support. Okay, if the price crosses down to the support, then we can open. Okay, that's the way. That's another way. But for the long period of time, for the bigger time frame, yes, you can do that. But I think for the short period of time, it's not working that way. So that's my other confirmation. That's the confirmation I take. That's my strategy, and it's going very good for me. Uh, so yes, Sadaf, you can just click on the link. The website will be open if you are using your mobile, so you can download the application of that that exchange as well. It's safe. I'm using this since last more than 1 year. Before that, I was using like multiple. Uh, so yeah, and if you face any problem, just let me know. You can send me a message. So I would love to reply you. I am getting a lot of messages every day, so I try to respond after my live session. So I will do that. Moreover, there's a link of my WhatsApp channel as well. So there I share my everyday profits and losses as well. If I'm losing it, so I'm going to share it. That the one trade I have lost, I shared that one as well. So So yeah, that's how it works. And okay, so what's the trend today? Usman brother, actually, what's the trend today? Trend is moving sideways. We can see the BTC movement. The weekend is here. As per my experience, if the weekend if the price closes above 95,000, then there are good chances for the market to go up a little bit. Maybe the BTC can reach up to 100K, which is very possible because BTC already hovering around to 95,000, $98,000. And on the other hand, uh, thank you, sir, brother. Um okay, on the other hand, if the price closes below 95,000, so the next support would be 92, 93,000, can go to $90,000, but there are more, the price is moving up sometimes according to speculations as well. So if there are market speculations and some big news are just in the move, so anything can be happen. Well, we have just discussed last Friday, yeah, on the live session as well, that if the price of BTC closes above 90,000, then for sure it will go up above 95,000. It will cross that mark, and it did it. That's the trend actually. That's the trend we have just learned from the history, from the past, from like spending a lot of time there. So yeah, and it's working well. That's what I have learned from the market. Okay, so my trades sometime get stuck at some position. Edge is moving through is truth is going crazy. Uh, if somebody is stuck in truth, following my trade, just close the trade. If he's or she is in profit, it can go way more up. I just missed this position, like while just going live in the session. Well, okay, no problem. What's the Aster? Okay, Aster went to good profit, but did not hit my TP. Oh no, I have not set up my TP in Aster. What's the, oh, okay. Okay, let's grab $50 in this trade. Not more than that. That's enough for truth, H. And this one is just hovering around to my break even. My TP is yeah, $50. So yeah, okay. Yeah, it's also just moving along to, so I think I'm just maybe I'll get, okay, let's see. You see the momentum of this coin is just hovering. I must say it's moving sideways because it just went up for the short period of time. It will come to, there are chances for this one come to just in the maybe in the mid of this week, this candle, to cover this fair value gap. Maybe it can grab some positions from here. Okay, okay. So seems like things are going good for now. All of my trades. One of my trade is also stuck from like few days, and I will close that trade maybe in negative $500 sometimes. And well, that's a part of it. You are making it, you are losing it. Okay, okay. On the other hand, hmm, let me check. So things are, I just want to close these two positions in front of you guys to witness just like I did yesterday. And okay, so that's the 5 minute time frame. And yes, that's what I just mentioned you. There are chances for this one to cover this fair value gap, this one. And surely it will go up because it's just moving. I have set up my TP to $50, which is like very achievable on top of this candle. If the price just moves up. What was the lowest today? Lowest was 704 and right now 717, somewhere around there. High was 7466. So yes, uh okay. So 1 minute time frame is the funny time frame actually. You see the candle, you see the movement in the charts, and it feels good. But on the longer, like for the big time frames, it feels boring. Yeah, trading is boring when you are stuck in a trade or you are waiting for the TP to be hit. So yeah, that's true. ARCAM. So what's happening with ARKM as well? You see, both are just okay. I just wanted to grab this one. I'm really very okay. What I need is if there would be a big fall, then I will be in a trouble. So I think I should wait from here. Hmm, hmm. If we follow the RSI is just let's talk about and let's see this one. What does this indicator tells us? So if we see that's the 1 minute time frame, RSI is 32. The value is 5, and on the 5 minutes time frame, the RSI is 32, also 33. So what we need to do is what I want to do is I will open a long position, but if the RSI will be below 20, that's the strategy everybody should use on the 1 minute or the 5 minute time frame. 5 minutes is good. Uh, but better for you to get exact confirmation. Sorry, TikTok is just thinking there is no movement on the screen, so that's why. Sorry, guys. Okay, so what I am just going to see, what I am just waiting for is that's the 1 minute. Let's set up it for 5 minutes. Now RSI is 30. Let's see, and 31, 30. That's the 5 minute time frame. Very boring, but okay. Um, uh, okay. The momentum, seems like it should go on the downside. What do you think, guys? Mm, I think we can take a chance. Uh, that's 5 minute. Okay, that's the 1 minute time frame. There is a support down there, and that's why it's getting rejection from there. I want to open a long position, but not without the confirmation. The momentum is like very, very bearish. We will take the trade against the trend, maybe, if we follow the RSI. So the RSI is right now in coming to my favor, maybe, maybe not. So RSI is 30, RSI is 30, and on the 5 minute time, let's see on the five. Okay, on the 5 minute time frame is also 30. On the 1 minute time frame is also same, just same. Mm, okay, okay. We can take the risk from here, but more risk, more reward. But RSA is not clear. RSA is 35, 32 on 5 minutes. No, at least below 30, not above 30. So that's what I want. The RSA to come down maybe a little. Hmm. Okay, sometimes we need to wait maybe for a long period of time. Trade Taking trade without confirmation can be risky. And see, it just moved up. We could have take the long position from here, but without confirmation, it's risky. Anything can be happen. It could have fall down just like it did before in these candles. So yes. Okay, okay. Mm, what do you think, guys? I think can we open the short? Not short actually. If we see, let's talk about 1 hour time frame. See the momentum, it's getting rejection. It will go up. This is the 1 hour candle, which is like very, very small candle instead of previous candles. So maybe it will go up a little bit more. But what we need to do is we need to wait, I think. Waiting is the key of getting the right trade. Or sometimes things are okay. The best thing is showing the volume in this candle as well. Okay, okay, okay. Let's get a short trade, opening a short position in on top of this candle. I'm just going to open a short position in on top of this candle. Uh, if it crosses this candle, then I will open the short position. So what we need to do is we need to just wait for maybe a little bit. And that's the beauty of scalping if we can grab something in this position. Uh, just go a little bit more up. Just go. That's my benchmark actually. That's my benchmark where it's my cursor is right now. That's my benchmark to open the short position from here. On the short time frame, opening short. Just limit my order. Oh, I was just about to. I just mistakenly set the limit order. What the heck? No problem. Let's cancel this one. See, see guys, I just set up my order, but mistakenly I clicked on limit order instead of getting it from the market price. So I just missed it. Thank you H for following. Great honor. See, uh, just I clicked and it my order just placed on top of this candle and went down. Oh, what the shot I just missed. See guys, see. I could have make like maybe $50 in this one candle only. Okay, that's a part of it, no problem. Uh, thank you, Ruposh brother. Thank you, Ruposh, for following. So well, that's the beauty of this thing. Okay, my other position is just hovering around to my break even. Uh, I think I'm not going to make even 1% of my portfolio today. Maybe. Thank you, Gori, for following me. It's a great honor for me. Uh, things are things are so far in my control, but what can we do? I just missed at the nick of the time. Oh wow. See. I was just about to open the short position, click on that candle, but went wrong. Well, okay, no problem. It's just a part of it's just a part of it. What can we do? We just missed a great opportunity by clicking on the limit order instead of taking the order from the market on the market order. Well, no problem. So yes, you guys can join my WhatsApp community as well. There's a link in description. Click on that link and join my WhatsApp channel as well. Moreover, we can open the short position from here, but let it go for long, maybe. Okay, what just happened with Aster? We had a position in Aster as well. Yes, it's not filling up the fair value gap of these two candles, three candles, maybe. But the momentum, and I have just opened the long position from in this candle from here and went up to there, just falling down again. The momentum shows the sign. That's the 5 minute time frame. You guys can see. Okay, okay. Opening long from here, I think it's the good position. Um, BTC. BTC. We have just talked about BTC previously. Let's talk about that again. BTC is just, uh, uh, let me talk about BTC on this one as well. So the BTC is just moving the sidewise. If you see, that's the 15 minute time frame. Anything can be happened. It's just hovering around between like uh this price range 95,700 and 95,200 on the 15 minute time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, see. Oh, sorry. So for now, I think we should wait. If you want to open any position, just don't open it right now. It's very like mix and match situation. Not mix and match, but it's like in just the middle of nowhere. So maybe Yeah. You also opened the law Aster 5. Did you book your profit? I think you opened that position. Uh, uh, Maybe. But I have just set up my TP to very like this $50. Aster, I just grabbed that position, but okay, so we were talking about BTC. So my previous week prediction went well, but it's just prediction. Do your own research always. If Yeah, uh, if the BTC closes above 95,000 this weekend, then the price would go, maybe it can touch 200K mark. There is a resistance at 98,000 uh, mark, and there is a support somewhere around 92,000 if the price closes below 94,000 95,000. So we cannot like, but there is nothing bad in the market. If we see, let me show you another thing. If we see the fair index, so it's just neutral, you see on the other screen. So it's neutral, like market is very neutral. Maybe it can go up, maybe it can go down. So it's just neutral. So this kind of market is like very scary. You just need to be very careful while taking the position in this. But just try to do scalping and just stay away from the market. That's what I understand actually. Maybe I'm wrong. You can do your own research as well. Yeah, you will. Moreover, oh, sorry. Okay, so this price, I love 1 minute time frame and shows very okay. So it's filling up. Maybe it will fill up the. Thank you so much for your likes. And yeah, the fair value gap is just about to be filled in this position. Then it will go up to my TP maybe in this live session. Or if it not, if I would not be able to close this position during the live session, I will send this screenshot in my WhatsApp channel as well. So as previously, I'm doing it from last few weeks. Even I'm sharing my losses as well. So nothing to hide. If one of my position is stuck in a very big, in a very bad shape, I will share its position. It's if I closes that position at minimum at minus 2% of my capital. So it's not even my 2% of my capital. It's just hovering around to that. I'm not feeling good for that. Well, okay, that's a part of it. Uh, if we are making, then someone is losing, and if we are losing, someone is winning. Okay, so we are fighting against the smart people of. Okay, bullish flag in this one. Aster, you're talking about this pair, or you're talking about something else, or you are talking about overall market. Overall market is also bullish. Brother, I'm trading like meme coins mostly. So this pair is Aster, and on uh, there is another trade open of this pair. Let's just open the position, and just two positions are open in these on those coins, and this is the other position I just want to grab and see. Oh, wow, see, that's a 1 minute time frame. What do you think, guys? Should I open the short? No. Yeah, Astro move is bullish. Yeah, It's already on the lower side of its today's 24-hour price, so I think it's a good position I have just grabbed. Maybe it can go a little bit down. So, but what anything can be. Opening short from here can be risky, but what can we? That's the 1 minute. That's the 5 minute. River. Okay, let's check it. Okay. Just falling down from where? Oh, oh, why it's not updating? Okay, let's see the 1 day time frame. Oh, what just happened? My just trade. Let me just refresh that one. Okay, it just went. Wow, it just went up to 36, 34, $34, and just moving, just falling down. Yeah, passive brother, you're just telling me that I have just to open it at premium. Maybe it will show the results like maybe in a day or two, or maybe in an hour. Oh, so River is just where did it go? It's very volatile coin, and there is a big volatility in this coin right now. So it's quite risky, I must say. Uh, that's the 5 minutes time frame. We can take the risk to open a short position, but uh, no, that would be risky. Uh, Anything can be happening. See, it just moved a little bit up again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's very volatile. Let's leave it for now. I just wanted to grab this one actually, this one, but that's the fun part actually. And we are just taking trades in high volatility, and if we grab the right move, then of course, just in a trade we can just make good profit. I'm not sure. It's just getting rejection from here. Why have okay. 1 minute, let it go for 1 minute. We can talk about that's the 5 minute candle. So we can open the long, but RSI is not in favor. I think today is not the right day maybe for you see the momentum is just uh thank you boy Sosa for following. Thank you. Um I'm not sure about this one, and those two trades are just near to my break even, just near to my break even. So let's talk about Esther. If it grabs that fair value gap and goes above, I set up my TP on at very low price, I think, and my TP should be no, but that will take maybe more time. Uh, I have a channel, but it's open for all. It's not private channel. I just say I will start sending few signals because I have just I'm just trying to build a community. There are not much followers in that. Just sending few of my daily updates and the trades what I perform online every day. So because I have just started my even TikTok and YouTube just like a month and a half ago. So I have a very short, very small community right now. So the link is in my bio. You can just click on the link. On you, there's a channel, a YouTube channel link as well as my WhatsApp channel. So and for referral link, if you want to create an account on this link, this exchange, so there's a link of that exchange as well over there. So they are just offering 50 free USDT upon registration, which you can utilize to perform a futures trade, I think for one trade only. So which is a good thing actually. You can just do an experiment on that as well. Yeah. So if you get any, if you two of my friends like you guys having had issue yesterday following my to get into my channel on my WhatsApp channel, but now I think it's resolved. I have just re uh, reposted that again. You can let me know if you can just get into the channel. If you are not able to get that, just let me know. So in my you can just send me a message on TikTok as well. So I would definitely love to respond you on that. And if you need any help upon for registration or anything like that, so I'm available for you guys. Please don't give money to anyone. Don't give even a single penny, not even me if I will ask you. So please don't give money to anyone. Just learn first and do trading by yourself. It's very easy. I can do it, anybody can do it. So it's very easy. It's a good money, it's a quick money. It's a risky money. More of that, I must say, I have gained a lot, thank God, but I lost a lot uh, when I started it. So, well, it's a part of it. You learn first, then, and the smart people, I must say, are those people who learn from other people's mistakes. So, don't do those mistakes. What I have done, I started learning putting my real money. So, don't do that. And if you have a uh, good idea, then sure you can use that. You can use your real money and just try to create small because we are fighting against the very smart people of the trading. So so we are just taking and which are very few. Like the smart people are very few, and more people are like me. So so we are fighting against them. So just taking the money from their pool. So they don't want that. So yeah, that's it. I think things are so weekend is here. Everybody should enjoy their weekend. Spend time with your family, your friends. Go out and don't trade on weekends. It's life. Yeah. Uh, Thank you so much for sharing my life as well. It's an honor for me. Your name is very like tough. I cannot speak it right. Maybe Ato Ato Huiri. Sorry. I I'm sure I'm not saying it right. Okay, so that's Aster. We are having a good hope, and these two are just see $3 negative to $2, $4, $3, $5. My position size is to $120, $2, $249. So okay, which is not even a 1%, but okay. I gradually increased my capital. I started with $100 and made a strategy and just followed that strategy, and I have grown up my capital in a very big way. Everybody can do it. My few of my friends were in losses, and we are just trying to recover from them, and like few of them are in good shape now. So discipline is the key, uh, and make a discipline and keep following that discipline. That's the way you can make money. If you trade like every time you want to be in the market, market will kick you out someday. So be safe, guys. Trade and set your target, set your goal. Let's say you want to make $1 a day or 1% of your capital a day and compound it, withdraw your actual capital from the market and play with the profit. And if you loses it, you're not losing anything. Instead of that, you are learning something. So still you are not losing any money. So that's what the strategy is. And when I follow this discipline, and I am in a very good shape now. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. It's a easy money. It's a quick money. You can make it in a very quick way. But you can, on the other hand, you can lose it as well. So if you are new to that, just learn it first, then you put your real money. Okay. So moreover, I think trades will take a little bit more time to get close. I will share the results of these two trades in my WhatsApp channel as well. So if you are unable to, how we'll uh, uh, strategy actually strategy of taking trade is the different thing. Where to from which position you want to get into the trade, that's a different thing. And how much money uh, and how much uh, leverage, how much um, percentage of your capital you want to invest in a trade, that's a different thing. If you want to talk about some, I don't know what's wrong with WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link doesn't work. I think I should start doing Telegram. Uh, WhatsApp link, why is not working? What kind of error you're facing from that? Like it's not showing anything or um okay. Why it's not working? Uh, Let me check my WhatsApp channel. What's wrong with that? Uh, I have gained like 2 followers today. I don't know why it's not working for you. Mm, mm, mm. I think TikTok will not, but that's on the link tree. Why it's not? Okay, I will try to figure it out what's wrong with that. Uh, as soon as I get onto that, uh, I will just send you a link of my WhatsApp channel on the private message as well. You can just send me a message, so I will send you the link. So maybe that's the way it can work. I don't know what's wrong with that. Okay, so what are you trading now? Actually, what pairs I am trading or what market I'm trading? I'm trading futures, and this is the pair I have just took two positions in the market. Aster and ARKM, these two positions, which are just hovering around to my break even. So I just want to make very small profit today. Maybe not even the 1% of capital, but okay. Uh, uh, okay, okay. What pair? This pair. This is the pair, Astra USDT. Uh, I have opened this position and one of this ARKM. That's the, if you know about the exchange, ARKM, Arkham Exchange, that's their coin. That's Astra. And I was planning to take the long position in this one, but I just missed it, and this one as well. So when you do what's something that what's next step? Next to web browser, it will I Yeah, okay. So okay. So PB brother just mentioned that if you want to join the WhatsApp link, just click on the link, and there are three buttons, three dots on that. That's the way you can click on that and you can join the WhatsApp group. Okay, great. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for information. Uh, I think same thing happened yesterday, and you did this way, and this way is working. Actually, I think it's just because I'm using the link tree because that's the way. I think we cannot share more links on bio, so that's why I have just connected it with Linktree. That should work well, actually, maybe. So am just planning to start giving few signals every day, maybe two, three signals from Monday. Hopefully, we will see the market, and hopefully things will work well. Uh, User, thank you. Thank you, brother, for just sharing the information. It's very helpful for me as well. I will guide anybody if somebody faces this problem again. Actually, you just joined it. I have just got the notification that one another. You see, it's a very small community. Just started building it right now. So I'm not sharing much now, but I just want to keep it continue. Maybe I will share few signals and few news every time and my losses and profits every day. So these kind of candles just are my love, and we just want these candles, and it can fall down again, but see, the profit is showing on the bottom. This one is $19. The other one is $9, 20. How much money I just want to make in this one? Maybe. Actually, I just want to close the session. It will be more long. So, should I close the trade right now? It's 10%. Okay. That's the other trade which is stuck. Like not even the 1% of my capital. It will come to break even maybe, or I will close that 2%. Okay, so this one is going up $30. Okay, 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 okay. I just want to book the profit here, and just want to close the session right now. So weekend is here, guys. Enjoy your weekends, and okay, okay, it's just falling down again, but we have a good hope for this one. I have just set up my TP to did I set it? Yeah, on the higher side, maybe $130. Maybe it will take a little bit more time. I will share the result of this trade in your in my channel as well. So just join that. Thank you so much. Uh, I think uh yes, my TP is not hit, but okay, it's just moving up again, and this one is the other one, ARKM, and going well. We'll get to my TP, but TP will be just $25. Okay, better than nothing, which is very achievable. Maybe, maybe not, if things are in my favor. I will share these both trades results in the WhatsApp channel, and on the other hand, I can show you on Monday, hopefully, on the live session again. So these two trades, you can just keep remember that. So let's see. Um, Sorry guys, session is just a bit uh, long now, and market is just coming down now. See? Okay, no problem. Uh, That's that's the part of it. Okay. So if you guys have any problem, just let me know in you can just send me a message. So I will respond to that message. And if you are new to crypto, you can register on the link in bio to register on this exchange, LBank. So using the Bank, you will be awarded like 50 free USDT if you are not getting those bonus amounts. So you can just let me know as well if you registered that account. If you register your account and not getting the bonus amount, just let me know. So I will write down to their representative. They just ask me to of they're just sending like $50 to each of my referral. So hello, sorry, my mistake. I just mistakenly closed. Sorry, guys. I just mistakenly clicked. Uh, it's a funny thing actually. TikTok has just offered. Actually, I was not using TikTok previously very much, but now it's like it's a funny platform. Okay, so $30, $31. What should I do? I'm very much confused. Should I book my profit right now in front of you guys? Just making 12%. I just want to book these profits right now. So that's the way my weekend will be okay. Otherwise, I will be like in the state of looking at it again and again, which I don't want to waste my to ruin my weekend. Okay. So technically, if I close this trade, both of my trades, so I would be in okay, let's close this trade and try to book this profit. That's enough, I think. That's good enough. So guys, I'm just going to book this profit, $35 in this trade, because its weekend is on the way. Weekend is not on the way, weekend is here. So what we want to do is enjoy our weekends, spend some time with family. Don't overtrade, just take small profits from the market and stay away from the market. Try to stay away from the market. Market is not that scary, but it's very like attractive. It will call you again and again and again. So it's 25, 30. I want to book just 30 plus dollars in this trade. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Just go a little bit up. Okay, okay. And I am going to book uh, 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 29, 30, 30, 30, 30, 29, 30. Just uh, so I just booked uh, $29. Okay, well, no problem. Enough. Uh, on the other hand, yeah, this one is $10. I just want to close this trade as well. So uh, this is the pair, and hello, brother. How are you doing? Good. Oh, just kidding. Actually, I have to go. Sorry. Actually, you are a little bit late. I was just about to close the session. So we will talk for sure on Monday. And it's a weekend here. Enjoy your weekends. Uh, oh, okay, okay, okay. Good, 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 great. But now I was just about to click on the close the session. Okay. So we will talk on Monday for sure. Yeah, sure. Thank you. It's a great honor. And now I have just made a very small profit, $30 in one trade and maybe $10 in this trade. We'll close it later on and we'll share you the results in the WhatsApp group as well. So thank you guys for being a part of the live session today. There are more followers. I really love the people are just trusting me, but don't give money to anyone. This live session was just for information and for fun. Do your own research before you trade. And I think let's close this trade as well. Okay, I have just put this one as well and just made, yeah, $10. Okay, 10 and okay, $40 enough for today. So we'll see you guys hopefully on Monday at the same time, and we will have few live trades again. And so I before I was just talking about I will share the results in the WhatsApp group, so I just closed it on the live session. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to learn, just do learn first, and if you want to make money, just try to learn first on demo accounts, and join my WhatsApp channel as well, and my YouTube as well. So that's the way of appreciation. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any question, you guys can just write me in the comment section right now. So then I will just discontinue the session. And trade is just, the coin is just moving up. It could have make me more profit. Okay, so okay. Thank you, guys. See you guys hopefully on Monday or maybe tomorrow if I would be available, and will maybe spend some time with you guys more. So not sure. Okay, thank you so much for your likes and your love, and thank you so much for following. Uh, okay, if you have anything to ask, you can just write down me in my messages as well. So I will accept that message and respond you on that. So thank you. It's an honor for me. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your like. Okay, see you guys. Uh, thank you, brother. Thank you. Okay, see you on Monday. Bye bye.